So first of all, we will understand what is an exterior angle. See in this triangle ABC, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. All these are interior angles because all these three angles lies inside that triangle. So if this is angle 3 and will extend BC, then this forms the exterior angle 3. Similarly, it will extend side CA of a triangle ABC and then this forms the exterior angle 1 and this forms exterior angle 2. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that angle 1 plus exterior angle 1 will always be 180 degree. Similarly, angle 2 plus exterior angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, for angle 3 also, that angle 3 plus exterior angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Now next, what is the property? An exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So it means if we take one exterior angle, let me take the exterior angle of angle 3. So this is the exterior angle 3. This must be equals to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So opposite angles of angle 3 is angle 1 and angle 2. And these two are interior angles. So exterior angle 3 must be equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. An exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So now we will verify the exterior angle property. We have taken the one triangle ABC. Angle 1, angle 2 are the interior angles and this is the exterior angle 3. So now we'll see how these two interior opposite angles are equals to the, I will take it the angle 1 and angle 2, will place it over there, keep it over there on exterior angle 3. This means, as you can see that it wholly covers the exterior angle 3. So this means exterior angle 3 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. So now we will solve some questions based on the exterior angle property. So see in this question number 1, interior angles, angle 30 degree and angle 40 degree are given. We have to find the value of x. See in this triangle ABC, we will give the name ABC. Angle B and angle C are the interior angles and angle A is exterior angles. So we write here, by exterior angle property, two exterior angle, one exterior angle, that is the exterior angle A, x is equals to the sum of its two opposite angles, that is equals to 30 degree plus 40 degree. So x is equals to 70 degree. So this is our answer. This is the value of x. So see in question number 2. Here one interior angle and one exterior angle is given. We have to find the other interior angle. So again we apply the same property by exterior angle property. So here interior angle we give the name ABC. We can write like this also. Exterior angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. These are the two interior angles. The measure of exterior angle C is 115 degree and angle A is equals to 50 degree and angle B is X. So here 50 degree is plus sign. When we take it to the left side, we transpose to the left side, it becomes a minus 50 degree. So this becomes a the value of X is 65. So this is the value of X. So we'll solve one more sum based on this exterior angle property. So we write here by exterior angle property. Here the interior angles are angle X and this sign. Here the angle is not mentioned, but you can understand from this sign as this angle is 90 degree. So here exterior angle is 125 degree. So exterior angle is equals to X plus 90 degree. So when we take 90 to the left side, it becomes minus 90. So this is equals to 35 degree. So this is the value of X. Thank you so much, students.